First live? I know, my first live was in like February or March. I was so scared. I was so scared. Swift. I was like, fuck. Period. I was like, thanks guys. Nothing wrong with T-Swift. I do cuss a little. I love that video. I think it's because my like nervous like work school presentation voice like comes out. I also feel like it's because I'm a Gemini. You guys are seeing my like angel side possibly. Thank you, I appreciate that. Might have to hand mix the rest of the bag. Yeah, user. I'm like, I've never had that before. Oh, you want hand mix? Okay, great. I was like, these are your bags. Okay, well, if we're doing a fake rinse after this, because I don't. Note to self, no more clear mica colors. Looks a little too bodily fluidy. Clean with me. Ooh, that was dry. Okay, we're pasting them up and then throwing them in the sink. Oh my god, I can't believe they were that dry. Or wait, Britt, do you want them with paste on them? Jamie. Shh. Hey, Bria. Britt. Okay, period. I got it, thank you. Okay guys, hand mixers, rise up. This is your time to shine. We got another Blanca bag. Period. I'm like, you can just lie over there. Okay. But the funny part is if it was someone else's live, I'd be like, same girl. I like hand mixing. I don't know how I feel about watching hand mixing. I love hand mixing when it's like a shit ton of cans. Ooh, but this focus is gonna smell good. Thank you for sending. I'm glad you like hand mix. That worked out well. Britt, the FR keeps throwing me off. I'm like, for real? Not for real. Ooh. Yum. Okay, let me grab the other bag. Another one. Oy. Oh yeah, no, you're good. I'm just It's just me mumbling at the end of a long day. Ignore me. It's snowing. Let me just make sure I use all the... I'm gonna grab a Comet can. Let's do a little Comet sprinkle. A little razzle dazzle. Little winter snow. Jules, I thought we were both born on June 19. Oh, I know that feeling. I have 5 fluffies. Okay, let's hand mix. Jules, absolutely. I already had it in my mind that we would. I have a prison tattoo on my hand, which was done in my best friend's bedroom by her with Amazon tattoo equipment. I'm 1995. The one has rubbed off. Yeah, 95. Got it, Gilsey, thank you. I'm older than you, I think. Oh, 2. We love everyone of all ages. Brielle, don't say that. To me, anyone born from like 2000 to 2005 is 5 years old. Still. The nice thing about when I was born is that it corresponds with my grade. So like in 2007, for half the year, I was in 7th grade. If that makes sense. My gloves are farting. My brother graduated in 2007. I graduated in 2013. Not viejitas. Okay, Jamie. See you soon. I graduated high school at 13. V. I can't even remember when I graduated college because I started working full-time in my career when I was still in college, so the lines are fuzzy. 04 is legal to drink? To me, 2004 people are 4 years old. $20.18. Yes, Gilsy, I'm gonna add them on top, I think. And The girls who work for me make me feel old. My whole team is freshly graduated girly pops. I graduated at 13. 2013. Level 45. That's sexy. You know, I live in LA. I am a very career